Lumen has enabled our business to be able to work, communicate, and collaborate closely with our customers. From an IT perspective, we focus on providing a reliable, high-speed, and secure network environment so that they can do their jobs effectively at our multiple production sites, some of which are in remote locations. My name is Tim Drook. I'm the Executive Director of Information Technology here at Calgon Carbon. We're really an environmental solutions company. Our activated carbon helps clean drinking water and wastewater throughout the world. We remediate and purify different types of air emissions and contaminated water systems. Prior to working with Lumen, we were having issues with network dependability, as we experienced a high number of outages at our various global locations. Since our initial engagement with Lumen, they've demonstrated that they are a very attentive partner in helping us not only implement, but maintain a reliable network infrastructure, along with optimal connectivity at our multiple global sites. We've now been working with Lumen Technologies for 8+ years, and our relationship and partnership has grown immensely over these years. Its management and its customer advocate team have been by our side and help us adopt new technologies to better our overall business. Partnering with Lumen Technologies was definitely the right decision for our team. We consider Lumen a valuable strategic partner, not only from an operations standpoint, but they're very active involved in helping us plan for the future.